see what astigmatism is. We know about short sight, we know about long sight. Astigmatism is a thing that parents are not familiar with. It is a specialized thing. In this video, we will see what astigmatism is, how we can treat it, how dangerous it is if we don't treat it. So, this is the normal eye. You can see two rays of light that are focused perfectly on the retina. We know that if it is falling in front of the retina, when it's short of the retina, it is short sight. We know that if it is falling away from the retina or far from the retina, it is long sight. And astigmatism is a peculiar thing happens. One ray of pair of light, that means we can see our cornea now in cross section here. This is our front of the eye. This I showed you the side of the eye. This I am now showing you the front of the eye. So we have a vertical meridian and a horizontal meridian. Vertical meridian and a horizontal meridian. That is normal. We all know that. So what happens in astigmatism is very peculiar. Before that I will tell you in short sight and normal what it is. The power of the eye in the vertical meridian and the horizontal meridian is almost same. Like if you say this is 43 diopters, this also may be 43 diopters. So vertical and horizontal are the same. In short sight, what happens is, in this vertical meridian there will be short sight of -2. Horizontal meridian also there will be a short sight of -2. This meridian will show you -2. This meridian also will show you -2. In long sight what happens similarly? This meridian will show you +1. This meridian also will show you +1. Astigmatism is very tricky. What happens is there is a difference between the vertical and the horizontal meridian. It does not follow this rule. What happens here? Now if you see the vertical meridian, I am giving an example. This may be -1. But the horizontal meridian will give you a picture of +2. Now totally things are different. This is another thing. This may be -1, this may be -1.5. So there is a difference between the vertical and the horizontal meridian. There is short sight in vertical meridian here, but there is long sight here in the horizontal meridian. Here both are having short sight but different power. This is astigmatism, and the horizontal meridian and the vertical meridian are not equal. That difference in power has to be corrected with the spectacle. If the vertical meridian is having short sight, we will give an astigmatic lens with an axis. They will say 180 degree, 90 degree. You have seen in your spectacle prescriptions, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 10 degree. So this is the axis where the correcting lens is going. Now here for example, you will have to give so there is a difference of 3, you will have to give 3 in one meridian. That particular meridian has to be corrected with astigmatism. So this is the tricky part about astigmatism, where the rays of light are focused on the rail, but it is not very clear because only one meridian, or the vertical or the horizontal, is correctly focused, the other one is slightly out of focus. So the child will tell you, I can see, if I do like this, I can see well. That does not mean that the eye is normal. This just means that the child is overstraining and making the vision clear, because one meridian is already okay, the other meridian is not following it. So these children tend to have more headache. That is a critical factor about astigmatism. These children have more headache. If you give them the correct lens, the headache disappears. So, I hope I explained astigmatism clearly to you. How do you correct it? Spectacles, contact lens. We are not telling anything about laser because we are talking about children, and laser is not allowed in children.